Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar at the very top. On the third position from the right, we've got the timer option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. Of course, we can keep the timer turned off just like now, but we can also set 3 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option you would like to use, and as you can see, the icon changed slightly, so we can check it. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. For example, actually we have to check 3 seconds delay, and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. So we can of course turn off the timer just by picking this icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.